Hello guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can join the CapCut Pro and enjoy its features and benefits. And in here I've already opened the CapCut apps on my phone, and to easily join the CapCut Pro, what you need to do is just click on the Pro button at the top, or you can also click on your profile, click on the me at the bottom, and in here click on the join CapCut Pro option. So when you click on that, you'll be directed to the CapCut Pro subscription offer, and in here you can see that CapCut will show you can unlock all the pro features and also materials. You can edit premium templates, and you can also get 100 GB cloud space storage, which is a lot. So you can have like many projects on your CapCut. So in here there are four options in my country, so it might be different based on your country, according to your country. So there are four options on mine, so you can join the CapCut Pro monthly, annually, or you can also join it only for 1 month or a year. So you can just choose which one of the subscription plan fits you the best, and after that click on purchase. And after you click on purchase, you just need to basically proceed the payment in the Google Play Store or App Store on your phone. Okay, you can see now on this will be shown, and you can just choose the payment method, and when you're done just click on subscribe, and CapCut will process your purchase, and you can just enjoy the CapCut Pro after. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, like, and also comment if you have any questions. Bye.